Gaussian weighted deep CNN with LSTM for brain tumor detection. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Gaussian weighted deep CNN with LSTM for brain tumor detection. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the File Manager and copy the code path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure represents the input image, the second figure represents the denoised MRI image, the third figure shows the labeled image, the fourth figure shows classification results using dialog box. The command window displays the metric values, including the training accuracy achieved by the convolutional neural networks. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.